I'm Barrett Preister.
And I'm Alex Shockey.
And this is Squares. What is a square, you ask? A square is a parallelogram that is both a rhombus and a rectangle. See page 236.
The properties of square are: all angles are 90 degrees. Squares have the same properties as that of a rhombus by definition. Squares have the same properties as that of a rectangle by definition, and also the diagonals of the square form four isosceles right triangles: 45, 45, and 90.
Example number 1. SQUA is a square. If one of the triangles shown in the figure is chosen at random, what is the probability that it is isosceles? So what you have to do for this one, so these angles, these angles, these angles, and these angles are 90 degrees each. And each one is 45 degrees since it is split in half. And so if you have 45, 45, then this has to be 90 according to the properties of a square. So what you would do is if then it. So if two angles are congruent, then their opposite sides are congruent. So this would go to here, and this would go to here. So on this triangle, this is congruent, and this is congruent. So if this square is congruent, all the rest are congruent. So the probability of it being isosceles is 100%.
Example number 2. What is the area and perimeter of the square shown below? Well, it's pretty simple. For the area, all you have to do is take length times width. So you would take 15 times 15, and that would be 225 centimeters cubed. And then for the perimeter, you'd have to add all sides up. So if these two are 15, then these two would have to be 15. So if you add all those up, you would get 60 centimeters, and that would be the perimeter.
Stay classy, Omaha.